Hey guys, Filmy Bandit welcomes you, your one-stop destination for glamorous celebrity fashion and unforgettable red carpet moments. In today's video, we're admiring Avneet Kaur's gorgeous and bold look in a stunning yellow lehenga at the India 2030 Conclave Awards. The moment she stepped onto the red carpet, all eyes were instantly drawn towards her. Dressed in a vibrant yellow lehenga, Avneet looked absolutely radiant. The bright color added a fresh, energetic, and eye-catching vibe to her overall appearance. The elegant design of the lehenga beautifully highlighted her stylish and confident personality. Her graceful walk made the entire moment feel like a high-fashion showcase. The intricate detailing of the outfit added a rich and festive charm to the look. Her glowing makeup enhanced her youthful features perfectly. The hairstyle added a soft and polished finish to the entire appearance. Every pose she gave to the photographers looked effortlessly stylish. The lehenga flowed beautifully with every step, adding grace and movement. Her radiant smile added warmth and charm to the entire look. The combination of traditional attire with modern styling created a stunning fashion statement. With this breathtaking appearance at the India 2030 Conclave Awards, Avneet Kaur once again proved that confidence and elegance can turn any traditional outfit into a truly unforgettable style moment. As the event continued, her vibrant yellow lehenga kept drawing everyone's attention. The bright wool looked even more radiant under the red carpet lights. Her confident posture added a bold and elegant touch to the entire look. Every step she took reflected grace, charm, and effortless style. The intricate detailing of the lehenga shimmered beautifully with every movement. Her calm and composed expressions made every photograph look flawless. Even in candid moments, she appeared stylish and camera-ready. The glow of her makeup enhanced the freshness of the overall look. Her hairstyle perfectly complemented the traditional yet modern vibe of the outfit. Every time she turned towards the cameras, the lehenga looked even more stunning. The balance between bold color and elegant styling created a standout fashion moment. Her radiant smile added warmth and charm to the glamorous appearance. The overall look reflected confidence, elegance, and contemporary fashion. Fashion enthusiasts admired how effortlessly she carried the vibrant outfit. Her presence added energy and glamour to the entire awards night. With the stunning appearance at the India 2030 Conclave Awards, Avneet Kaur once again proved that confidence, grace, and the right styling can create a truly unforgettable fashion statement. As the spotlight stayed on her, the yellow lehenga continued to shine beautifully. The vibrant color gave her entire look a refreshing and eye-catching appeal. Her confident aura made the appearance feel bold yet graceful. Every camera flash captured another stunning angle of her outfit. The smooth flow of the lehenga added elegance to every step she took. Her poised expressions added depth and sophistication to the overall look. Even the smallest gestures, like a soft smile or glance, looked incredibly graceful. The intricate embroidery stood out more with each movement. Her glowing makeup enhanced the brightness of the outfit perfectly. The hairstyle framed her face beautifully, adding a polished finish. Each pose she gave looked like a perfect high-fashion moment. The combination of traditional attire with modern styling created a striking visual impact. Her natural charm made the entire appearance feel effortless and captivating. The atmosphere of the event felt more glamorous with her presence. With this breathtaking appearance at the India 2030 Conclave Awards, Avneet Kaur once again proved that true style lies in confidence, elegance, and the ability to carry bold colors with grace. As the crowd continued to admire her, her stunning look remained the highlight of the evening. The rich yellow tone of the lehenga looked even more vibrant with every passing moment. Her confident stance added a strong and stylish edge to the overall appearance. Every step she took reflected elegance, control, and effortless glamour. The smooth finish of the outfit enhanced its luxurious and festive appeal. Her composed expressions made each frame look polished and high fashion. Even in between poses, she maintained a natural and graceful charm. The glow of her makeup added freshness and radiance to the entire look. Her hairstyle completed the appearance with a sleek and elegant touch. Every turn towards the cameras revealed another beautiful angle of the lehenga. The balance of bold color and refined styling created a memorable fashion statement. Her radiant smile added warmth and personality to the entire moment. The overall look reflected sophistication, confidence, and modern elegance. Fashion lovers admired the way she carried the outfit with such ease. With this unforgettable appearance at the India 2030 Conclave Awards, Avneet Kaur once again proved that confidence, elegance, and bold fashion choices can create a truly iconic and eye-catching style moment.